MIT uses shadows to help self-driving vehicles see around corners. MIT researchers developed a new system that uses small changes in shadows to determine if there's a moving object coming around the corner. Autonomous cars could one day use the system to quickly avoid a potential collision with another car or pedestrian, MIT said. However, MIT revealed that the system has only been tested in indoor lighting conditions so far. Tesla is a competitor we take very seriously. Volkswagen CEO Herbert Diess has said Tesla is a competitor that the German carmaker takes very seriously. Tesla is not niche. The Model 3 is a large series model and they are one of the biggest manufacturers of electric car batteries, he added. Last month, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that Diess was doing more than any big carmaker to go electric.